Do you feel stuck in your life, or is there any area or particular area in your life which you feel is absolutely blocked? Hi, I am Saurabh Bajaj, and in this video, I am sharing with you the most fundamental concept, the absolute foundation of how you can really unstuck the things that have been blocked, maybe for a long time or maybe for a small time, but something that has been really being a pain for you in your life. So watch this video till end, and I absolutely assure you that by the end of it, you will have some respite, you will have some relief in this stuck areas of your life, and the process of getting unstuck will get rolling. So watch this video till the end. Friends, what happens so many times, things are not moving for us. So many times it may happen that one such area, one such phase of our life gets stuck, it gets so blocked. It could be our health, it could be some relationships, or it could be our career, our money relationship, the money that we have in our life. And sometimes we've tried enough, we feel that we've done everything possible on this planet, under the sky, and absolutely nothing will work. And what happens? We just sit down, ignore that area, because somehow the concept of karma has taught us that it is karma and it is fixed, it cannot be changed, and we feel stuck. So it could be something which is permanent, which has been there for a very very prolonged time, and we have assumed that it is permanent. And it could be something which you could be stuck right now in a situation, which could be a temporary small situation, maybe a post COVID effect, maybe a post any other effect that you might be feeling. So the whole process of getting unstuck starts here. But I really want you, especially if there is an area of your life which you have been wanting to change for a long time, but it has prolonged, and then you see absolute blockage, and whichever area there is, which you started feeling that it is my karma and I have to live with it. Because when we feel it is my karma and I have to live with it, then I absolutely take no actions. I absolutely pay no attention to it. And we become like that dog who's sitting on the pin, is crying all the time, but not moving because it is not hurting enough, but at the same time crying because it is still hurting. So it's very important to pay attention. Now, all of us, we are moving through our life. It's a fast paced world right now. We are living in a highly competitive world. Whether you're doing any kind of business, whether you are in any kind of job, you're always rushing. You always have some dreams, goals, aspirations, pressures to take care of. And in doing all that, taking care of the family, taking care of, also giving time to ourselves, our fun time, we get so consumed in our immediate environment. We get so consumed in the immediate situations, the problems, the challenges, and even the good things, that we don't actually pay attention to the things that have got stuck. It could be a thing, a small phase, or it could have been something that have been prolonged. So when we get stuck, our mind absolutely gets blocked in that particular phase. We always blame our circumstances. We blame the situations around. We blame the people around. He did this to me. That is why I am here. Maybe my parents, my friends, my wife, my children, they did this to me. That is why I am here. And we absolutely feel stuck and things don't move. Now, the biggest garbage, I would say, where the things are stuck is this. Because no matter what the situation on the outside is, we are always approaching it with the same stuck feelings, with the same stuck beliefs, with the same stuck attitude. And it always actually sucks, because we have developed a negative association with the stuck situation, and then we are always approaching them with the same feeling, with the same thought, with the same attitude, with the same belief. And even if we do something, even if we take a small action, somewhere in our heart we know it is not going to work. We know it is all futile, because our expectation is negative. And guess what? When you expect it not to work, it doesn't work. So whenever you feel stuck in any area of your life, what you have to do is, first of all, immediately, right in the moment, change your thoughts, change your feelings, change your beliefs, change your attitude, change your words, what you say about it. Let me share a small example with you. So this time in May, COVID hit, and this time the second layer hit us all very hard. It has hit all of my family. All of us were down with COVID, and businesses were also hurt this time. Thankfully, I'm in FMCG business, which was not hurt last time as much as it was this time. And the collections were blocked. There were no payments flowing. The orders, the sales were blocked. There was nothing going, and we were in COVID, feeling helpless, energyless, nothing to do. Then finally I decided, once I recovered, and it was still things were not moving in work, and I decided that now I take complete ownership of it. How I started it, I made a list of affirmations in sales, a list of affirmations in outstanding, how I affirm, and then I would sit, do my affirmations with full voice, with full energy, and I would then visualize it. I even recorded my affirmations, and while sleeping I used to plug in my ear. In just 4 to 5 days, it actually transformed, it completely transformed my energy towards outstanding, towards sales, towards collection. And guess what, when my energy changed, the level I expected things to happen, the level I wanted things to move, the level with which the positivity with which I was approaching things changed dramatically. And when I changed, everything else started moving. Orders started to flow, payments started to come. And again, in no time, in just 10 to 15 days, we came back to a situation where again we are struggling to supply orders on time. And payments, yes, the recovery has been blissful. So whenever anything is stuck in life, whether it's a temporary phase or whether it's a phase, a prolonged phase, which you have started to believe it's a karma for you and it's not moving, the way you create, trust me, we've been blessed to be the creators. We are the masters of our destiny. And the way we create is how we think, how we feel, what are the emotions we are putting in a situation, what are the emotions we are giving to that person, and what are the beliefs with which you are approaching. Are we approaching it with the limiting belief, or are we approaching the situation with an empowering belief? Do we believe sales are not happening, sales are not happening? Is that my belief? Or do I believe I am going to make it happen? What is it that I believe? What is it I say? So many times people are constantly nagging, constantly saying things they don't want, like money is not coming, sales are not happening, salaries are not being paid, whatever it could be. And then it kind of becomes a story, and we keep repeating that story unconsciously. It becomes a part of our subconscious mind, and without even realizing, we are repeating the same story again and again and again. And guess what, our word becomes law. What we say actually becomes true for us. So it is very important that wherever you feel really stuck, whichever phase, whichever area of your life, you have to start developing new empowering beliefs around it. You have to start having better thoughts around it. You have to consciously, I repeat the word consciously, make sure that in that stuck area, which whatever it could be, no matter how hard, how painful, how hurtful it has been, you start empowering it. You start really bombarding it with your positive thoughts, positive feelings, positive emotions, positive attitude, positive beliefs. And nothing at the outside might change at once. Don't expect that it will change, the outside will change at once. But the biggest benefit and the most immediate benefit that you are going to see is the instantaneous change in your energy towards it. So many times we start believing things will not move, but if you practice your affirmations around it, if you start visualizing things moving in that direction, when you start shifting your own stuck beliefs, your own disempowering thoughts towards it, and start saying words. So it might feel you're faking something because you feel it is stuck, it's not moving. But trust me, when you fake it, and you can fake it for a long time, you will eventually make it. So don't let your mind talk you out of it. The biggest and the instantaneous benefit will always be you changing your energy, your attitude, your belief towards that situation. And then things will start moving. You will have a positive expectation whenever you are saying something, doing something in that stuck area of your life. So to really get unstuck from stuck, to really remove the blockages, all you have to do is get unstuck from here, get unstuck from the thoughts that you've had. No matter how difficult it has been, A change of thought and a change of feeling is a change of destiny. I repeat, it is a very, very famous saying. It is actually the crux of us being the creator. A change of thought and a change of feeling is a change of destiny, because we become creators through our emotions. Our emotions are the biggest energy we have, and we have to make sure consciously that we are living moment by moment in a great emotional state, because our emotional guidance system, as we may say it, emotional guidance system actually defines the kind of life we live. So this is what I wanted to share with you in this video, and if it helped you, then please share your comments in the comment box. But I absolutely assure you that if you practice it, if you even start practicing it for few minutes every day, you will start rolling this process of getting unstuck. You can really put focus, your entire attention in that area of life which is not moving, and focuses with expectation, with positivity, with knowing that it is going to change and it is going to happen for you. So this is what I wanted to share with you, and I really, 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 really hope that you can really apply it and it really helps you move things in your life. So thank you so very much for listening patiently. Saurabh Bajaj signing off. Take care. Get unstuck now. Bye bye.